it's your favorite crackle gal, ororokoo, splashing in from the songs of stardom straight to your screens. Today, we'll be diving into another episode of Minecraft! Yay! I made some positively negative, up, down, left, right, B, A, B, start. Progress. We went up, we went down, up and it's like a roller coaster at this point. We go up and then down and then up and then down and then up again and then down. It's never ending. It's a never ending roller coaster. Will we ever just go all the way up? Can we just go all the way up and just finish it? Why do we have to keep going down and up and down? And I swear every time I make positive progress, the negative progress comes and hits me in the face too. But what did I say? But yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna be doing that today. So grab your coconuts, shake your tails, and get ready to splash into some fun. Are you ready? Are you set? 'Cause here we go! Here we are. I should position myself back in the middle. Oop. We should sit in the middle. Actually, there's nothing to actually say in the middle, so I can stay right here for now. And you know what? When I was gonna go and clip my let me turn this freaking music down, because why is this music so loud? Cause you know what? When I went to go make clips for the video that we made for Big Walk, I didn't even realize I had all the music on, so it's like 4 hours of music. Four hours of music. Let me turn it down a lot, so it's like you can hear it, but you can't really hear it. I mean, what am I saying? Like, you can hear. Wait, let me let me make sure. My headphones are at 100. Oh, my mic kept peaking. Peak. Let me turn down my microphone like a teeny tiny bit, or I'll probably have to change some settings for it. Cause why is my mic peaking? Oh, wrong thing. La 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 la. On top of Old Smoky, all covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Ha-choo! It rolled on the table. Oh, okay. Okay. Music is good. Music is quieter. Now I know. Whenever we're gonna be playing actual games, we have to mute. Also, we're streaming like extremely late today. Honestly. Well, you know. Why not? I'm waiting for like the freaking summer skins. I saw that Storm is getting wrong thing. I saw that Storm. What am I doing? Oh, click that. I saw that Storm is getting a summer skin, but oh, you know what? We're matching, kinda. Mine is like orangish yellow. Hers is yellow, except mine is legendary and hers is epic. Because why is hers epic? Why can't hers be legendary too? Everybody else has legendary. Why can't hers be too? Like, even Black Widow, like, nobody plays Black Widow. Nobody plays Black Widow yet. Black Widow has a legendary. Why can't hers be legendary too? What's wrong with her that she can't be legendary? They're haters. Okay, I gotta test this real quick. I don't remember the last thing I did. I don't remember what I was doing. But yeah, we have an adult model and we have an infant model. I don't remember. Oh, I remember. I was trying to fix the animations for the adult because for some reason they're not working. For some reason, the walking animation keeps overriding the adult animation. So I need to learn how to fix that. But this is what we got. And then, you know what? When I was doing this earlier, you know what? I should have streamed. I should have streamed this earlier because when I was testing the adult, I was doing the Iron Golem panic system for it. So like, you know how like regular villagers, if they're like panicking or gossiping or something, and they have like a cooldown that makes it so an Iron Golem will spawn after the cooldown hits 0. So I tried to implement that, and you know what happened instead? Hold on, I think the baby still has it because I didn't change anything for the baby. So you know what happened instead? Okay, also the adult is like a toddler now. The adult actually has a resizer, so now they're the size of a toddler. I was thinking, maybe I think the baby is like bigger than the toddler. Like if the baby was standing. But what I wanted to do for like the toddler, I wanted to make the head bigger. Like, cause you know how like regular baby villagers are. Villager. I don't think I'll be able to spawn a villager anymore. Yeah, I won't be able to spawn a villager. Cause I set it to like don't spawn villagers, so like these guys would spawn instead. But instead of that happening, what's it called? Nobody spawns. Cause as you can see, the village is not populated. But what I did, I think the last time you guys, wait, did I stream this one the last? Yeah. You saw like when I changed it to spawn naturally in the world, they started spawning everywhere. So like I changed it to only spawn in villages. Check if it's in a village. If it's in a village, then to spawn. But it didn't spawn. So like when I have, oh yeah, also I added a name system. So now her name is Lily and this is Emma. Emma and Lily. So now you can see their names above their head. So like when I spawn one in, this is Mark. His name is Mark and he's a boy. This is Emma and she's a girl. And then for the babies too. Oh. This is Mark too. So I like have random names. This is Clara. I only added like 30 names. No, each gender has 15 names. But I'll add more later on. Let's kill Mark. Get rid of Mark. Get rid of Mark. Yeah, but Mark should grow automatically, I think. They should be growing automatically. If I set him to small like this. This is Emma. Why did I say Mark? But yeah, like look. Oh, wait, it's gone? Wait, did I change it? Cause usually when you hit, hold on. Actually, let me fly around to see if there's any more golems, because when before when you hit them, I don't know, it's not working for the baby anymore. Or maybe it did and they just spawned somewhere. I hope not. Because it was a gigantic mess that I had to clean up. There was golems everywhere. Like literally everywhere. Like, and then I was like, okay, I thought I cleaned up everything in the village. Like there were so many. There was like billions. I was like, okay, I cleaned them up in the village, so I'm good. And then I came over here. And then there was like a trillion down here. There was like a trillion and one down here. I was like, are you serious? Let me make sure there's no more. Cause I spent hours cleaning them up. Cause I didn't want to start a new world. Okay, there doesn't seem to be any. That is, bro. That was insanity. That was absolute insanity. I'm a spectator. Make sure there's no more. They're on this level. You know what? More probably spawned before I changed the system, because like they did spawn naturally in the world as well. Oh, they're just somewhere that I haven't been. Somewhere we could have been. Do I have to make a new world? Hopefully not. Look, I don't know if cause I had to fly to find this village. So it's anywhere that had chunks loaded is where a villager is. And probably where a billion more iron golems are. 1,000,000,001 iron golems. Let me fly around a bit. I really don't know what direction I was in. And plus there was like little villager babies too. I don't know why there were villager babies everywhere. I don't think I've been this way. Yeah, I won't know. I won't know. Is there an easier way to look for stuff? Because I have no idea. Just circling the area, I don't want to get lost. I don't want to lose my village. I don't want to wait for my life to be over. I think there are some over here too. Because there are cats over here. I don't think I came over to the over here. Spice, 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 ba da 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 da. Spice, 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 spice. I got a hoop da 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 ba da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 no no no. Okay, I don't see any. I think it's a good thing that that's right there too, so I'm gonna have to test that. I mean, I already know it works. I already know it works. We're just combing the area to make sure there's no more villagers. That's not one of them. I have to stay a little bit low. A little bit low. A little bit low. I think I also need to add a thing where I should have tested it. Like when it transitions to their adult model, it should. Okay, let me go back. I'm getting lost. It should set the age to 11 and not 60, cause I have it to like set to 60. If spawn I should do like if spawn naturally the world set to 60, else set to 11. Set to 11. Is spawn by spawn eggs set to 60. Okay, let's head back. Let us head back. How you gonna do? I think I did a good job cleaning up everything. Ah, gone without a trace. And now I am lost. Great. Fantastic. Super. That's not great. Actually, that's not great at all. Where was I? Where was I? I think it was over here. Okay, it was over here. It was here. Good. Goodness gracious. Wait. Make sure all of them are dead. Yep. We are Gooch. There. We are Gooch. Yeah, I should probably set it to like spawn. I need to set something. Okay, let's go in. Let's say it doesn't work. I guess I totally disabled it. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of it. I wanted to fix the animation first. We were gonna collab sort of alternative. Oh. Hold on. Let me delete this real quick. Press save, keep open. Cause I don't understand why. Like after I added a single animation, now it just wants to. Cause before it used to just slide. It has no animation. Ugh. Oh gosh. Yeah, before it used to have like no animation, it was just like sliding. I had like a freaking coughing fit. Why is it still? Yeah. I don't know. Something about this thing. It now has an animation, so I don't know why. Let me try to refresh this. Because I thought it was
Alert.
just
Alert.
but it doesn't
New
seem to be.
follower detected.
Welcome to the island! Welcome, welcome! Hello! Salutations! Arimatabagi! Let me regradle the gradle and then let's reload it back. You were washing your car with your son the other day? Okay, you were washing your car with your son the other day and what happened? Did your car jump? Did your car spray? Did your cat? Not cat. Did your child spray you with water? Did your cat spray you? Yeah, for some reason they have a default animation now, which is weird. Why is that? So that means the animation thing is not actually working. They have a default. He said, "Dad, can't you use?" He said, "Dad, can't you use a sponge?" Oh. Yeah, I mean you could. You could use a sponge, like a soft sponge, to wash your car. Why does the adult have an animation? Let me try AI goals. Let me remove all of these. Press save. Let us refresh. Wake up, wake up. It's a great big beautiful day. Wake up, wake Go out and play and smile to the world. Open your eyes, jump out of bed and just wake up. Get out of sleepy head. Don't stay in. I need to figure out why do you still have an animation. That's why it's not working, because it has a locked-in animation. Now I see it. Now I see it, because you're not supposed to be animated, and it's not any of these. So what is causing it? You know it's true. You dance and sing and clap your hands, waving this to all your friends. You gotta wake up. Wake up. Biped. Oh. Adult. You know what? That's probably why. I think I just found my problem. I didn't realize the entity was set to biped this whole time. Cause I was also wondering, like, why is the skin texture like kind of cut off as well? Oh yeah, look, now it's fixed. Yeah, now it's fixed. Okay, so I really didn't have to erase everything. Save. Oh my gosh, this cat. Stop it, kitty. Stop banging on my door. Oh, how the... What number did I just press? Nope. 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 Okay. Save. Okay. Save that. You know what? That's most likely why it wasn't doing the animations. Let me re-add back my animations. 1, 2, 3. So we have toddler, child, adult. Let's do toddler, child, adult phase. Bruh. Cause like I remember there's no walking animation, so like what the heck? What the heck? Let's see how big the head is gonna be, cause I did oversize the head. Cause like I was like, why isn't this resizing? And then I was, you know, let me make it bigger. Maybe it'll fix it. Maybe my problem will be fixed if it's bigger. Wake up, it's a great big beautiful day. Wake up. Okay, let's try it. Yep. Buddy is still doing the same thing. Oh wait. One more thing. Adult animations. If age stage equals 2. Adult. Let's go to here. Adult knee brain initialize. So it should be down here. Age takes 0. Age days 0. Okay. Age days are 0, but it should be technically 2. Age days should... Oh. Ah. I need to stop using the freaking numpad. It should be to 2. The default are 2 age days? No. Yeah. Default age days are 2. And so... I should add an if logic here. If... Oh, let me see. If something... If, exist... Does exist... Why? If it exists in the world, if it joined the world, then if world provided in the world. For each entity, difficulty get full time client side. If it's raining. Wait, there was one more thing. Adult initialize. Da-da-da. Set age to 60. Does it exist? Keep size and spawn age to 60. Okay, let me put that one in there then. Call else age these two. Close procedure. Initialize adult age. If do that, else age days. What's it? Age days. Oh no, age stage. Age stage to 2. Just 1, 2. And then that one should be, I don't know. Adult age. It should be 60 is 5. If age stage equals, if stages are 60, oh no, there'll be 6. Age stage to 6. Save. Oh. 5 and 6. 6. 5. What is happening? 2. 5. Okay. And then let me remove this one. Delete this one too, and remove this one. Ta-da! Save and keep open. Okay, and that one, save. You know, that's probably wrong, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Because then if the kid... Let me lower the age. Let me actually see if the height thing is working. Actually, this. Okay, let me press play. Age stage 2. Because they're supposed to start at age stage... Not age stage 0. And let me see. Awesome. Yay, it's working! It's working! Yay! The head is gigantic though! Yay! Okay, that's what I did wrong! Oh my god, I need to lower the head size a little bit. The head size must be a little bit smaller. Cause like, look how big this cranium is. I'm pretty sure it's bigger. It's bigger than a freaking baby. Yo, let me get the baby villagers to spawn again. Hey! Oh my god. Adulting. I think it was both. No. Where is it? Oh, villagers. Spawn villagers. If the biome is a plains and is inside a village, then set is valid biome to true. Set is valid biome to true. And then feel like this needs to go inside of here. Set valid biome to true and then spawn. Set spawn group count. Hi! Hello, Nana! Hello, hello! Ohayou gozaimasu. How are you? Choshi wa dou? Choshi. Okay. Well, trying to figure this out. What if I like slap it directly? No, you know, let me slap a copy of this inside of the thing. Spawn the villagers. Cause it's supposed to see like entity joins world. When entity joins world, or should it just be like every on tick? Should it? What if I set it to on tick? Let me do on entity tick update. What if I update it to that? If this is true, this that. If you're fine. That's good. Super. Super. I don't know how to say that's good in. That's good. Super. I do if this, if that, if that, if this, else if. It shouldn't be like else if, cause it's just like if. And then you set local number. If valid biome is true. Yeah, I probably should put that. Let me try that. If valid biome equals true, set local valid biome equals true. And then valid biome equals true, then set number 1 to 4. Maybe it's this one. Let's press play. Let's press save. And then let's do this. Hopefully, it doesn't spawn like a billion of them. Hopefully, it does not spawn 1 billion of them. Hopefully. Eyes closed. I'm nervous. Okay, there's nothing. Oh yeah, we also have to fix the head. Fix the head to be smaller. Adult. We are one step closer into making a great mod. Child. Oh yeah, I did resize it. Okay, I need to export it then. Select none, child. Oh wait, toddler. Okay, yeah, I did resize it. Okay, export. Export, child, toddler, adult. Child, toddler, adult. Where's adult? I don't see it. What? Wait, where did it go? We have 1, 2, 3, no pregnant, no bust, medium bust, large bust, toddler, child, short height, tall height, default height. Now we don't. Where did my adult one go? Let me do default height and then let's do. Or maybe it'll just switch back the head to normal size when it gets to adult. So I guess I don't need adult. But I already have one. Let me make a new one. Okay. Adult. Loop. Confirm. Export. Okay. Medium bust, short height. Default height, large. Like, select none. Adult, child, toddler. Export. And you know, since it's working, I could technically make an elder. We could make an old person. Because the old person is usually hunched over. So let's do elder. Duplicate. Elder. And then eventually we're going to have them sleeping on the bed. Right now they don't sleep at all. Eventually, Evelyn will sleep. I wonder, does she actually grow yeah, we have to also test that. We have to test if their height also grows. Nope, still spawns him as a child. I cannot... Yeah, we need to make it smaller. Big guy. Big guy. I wanted to play Big Walk. I wanted to play Big Walk. What are we doing? Oh yeah, elder. What does an old person look like in Minecraft? Older. Why is an old person? A bitch. How do old people usually stand? I know some old people usually have their hands behind their backs. Should I add? Yeah, it's like the what's it called? The villager. Oh shoot. Yeah, it says it has the music already. Let's do that. Let's do rotate. Let's do both back. I think I need to add like a different kind of arm set. So like the arms will go behind the back when it's old, and then they're like a little hunched over. A little hunched, and then. Oh, I wish it was already done. Position 0.8. Negative 0.8. Okay, that's good. Then I need the villager arms. Let me grab a and template regular. Let's grab a villager. Not trying to screw me over. Grab a villager. You know, I noticed the zombie villagers have their arms down. Let's snatch your arms. Nerd for what? Arms. Let's snatch those arms. Let's throw it in the bag. Just throw it in the bag. Peace. Cut, peace. just grab the middle piece instead. Yeah. And then just undo that. Because if I have a new set of arms. Leg, waist. Oh, it is a part of the waist. Left arm, right arm. Would it be a part of no? Gosh, why is my throat always so clogged? Okay, and then let's move this inside the body so it's not visible. Make sure it's not visible. Let's name it middle arm. Middle arm. A part of the right arm. Okay, we need to make it like resize it. Smaller. So it appears in the body. Belly. Oh no. Move. Not visible. Only visible when it's old. Okay, and animate. Okay, when they're old, it's in the back. Right arm, left arm. Oh, let me close this too. Discard. Let me go back to edit, and then let's put this. Where's middle arm? We need to have it as its own bone. And then name it middle arm. Middle arm. It's the middle arm bone. We'll go to the back. So as you hear the sound of a cat and it's cute. It's from Minecraft. It's this cat in Minecraft. I'm testing a mod. Wait, let me see. Let's see. ちょっと待って. English. The cat sound is coming from Minecraft. What? It's not working. Oh no. The cat sound is coming from Minecraft. Yeah. Yeah, Minecraft cat. This is their pet cat. The cat's name has no name. No name for cat. When these guys are finished, this is Evelyn. This is Evelyn's cat. Evelyn and Lily's cat. Evelyn and Lily's cat. When they grow up, kind of have a feeling it was Minecraft. Yeah. I'm making a mod. So, no. I'm making a Minecraft mod so we can play in the Minecraft server.
マイネクラフトの窓を作っているので、私たちはマイネクラフトサーバーで遊ぶことができます。
じゃあ。But time to make a making. Right now I am making an old person.
しかし、今は老人になっています。
Yes. Yes. Middle arm. Let's put this down. Let's carry it out. Hey, it's looking good already. Looking cool, Joker. Let us move his... Oh. Let's make it wider as well. Or to resize. This is just the animation itself. So when the mod is finished, we can play Minecraft! Yay! Yay! Minecraft! Let's have some fun in Minecraft. This could be so much. I really want to do a good job because I want a lot of people to play. I want people to say, "Oh my gosh, this mod is so much fun. This mod is super super fun." And of course, we already have everything ready. We just have to actually make it. Okay, here's the old person. Okay, old arms. When you have old person, your arms will be like that. Let me move the let me move the waist down. I'll move it a little bit down. Since now I know it works, I can make this one. So now we have old person, elder, young, adult, elder, adult, elder. Why am I hearing something walking? Or is it this kid? It sounds like it's walking on like hard floor though. We can have some fun in Minecraft. Oh. Let's have some fun in Minecraft. Okay, now we have the elder. It's just the elder's dance. I need to learn to make a walking animation. Let's duplicate. Walk. 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 It's a loop. Can I apply can we apply an I remember I saw you could. Apply animation preset. Swirl, circle, look, invisible, shrink. Sway, shake, jump. Jump. What? He left his legs. He left his legs behind. Apply animation. Strike, swing, scale. Why is there no walk? No walk cycle? Open door, close door. Open door? What? Oh, to arm? Apply animation. Open door. Why do both arms move? I don't understand this. Middle arm? Right arm. Right arm. Walk. Open door. Why do both of the arms move? Oh, cause it's mirrored, that's why. Duh. Duh. Open. Let's see them. But why does the arm just rotate? You know, I'll probably have to fix that. Fold animation. I need a walking animation. We probably also have to move the arm. Middle arm. Probably just have to move it to arms. Right arm, left arm. Right arm, left arm, arms. Or just keep it in the body. Let me move it out of the arm. And just leave it in the... Because it's like attached to the waist. So when is elder still? Does it still show? Nope. I have to set it back. Elder, let's put it back. Let's rotate it. What is fix? Fix our old person arms. Mow. Okay, I think it's fixed. I think it's good. Make sure it's not. There's no space. Okay. Right, old person. Walk. Okay, bring up animations. Where's my apply animation? Jump to end, start. Paste, filter, bring up animation set. Keyframe. Where is it? I just saw it. Apply. Walk. Right arm. Apply animation. Open door. Let me see now. Yeah, why does the arm rotate like that? I feel like we're gonna have to just make our own animations for like the open door, closed door. Do I have to make one for the walk? Why don't they have an automatic walk cycle? Where are you, big head? Big head Evelyn. Why don't they have apply preset? Pack sway. Yeah, let's just do this for walk. This type, okay, walk, and then select none, adult, child, elder, toddler, confirm, add it to age, animation, and then let's do select none, walk, confirm, and then let's do walk animation, save, and then let's do save project. Export as a Java, export as adult, save because we added a new one. Let us load that down. Let's go back here. Let's close this. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go to here. Let's go here. Open this. There's so much things. There's so much things. And let's go here. Open this. Go here. Open this. Minecraft mods, adult animation, walk animation, copy, paste in here. Edit it, edit it, edit it, edit it. Let's change it to walk animation. Let's press save all. Let's close that again. Let's go to age, copy, paste, replace. Let's open it to stay in like, let's change it to age animation. Let's save it. And let's close it, close that. And then let's refresh this, and then let's go here and delete this one. Delete anyway. Let's import model. Let's go here. Let's go here. Adult. Alright. Oh, let's press this. Oh, wrong thing. Let's open this again. Up here. Open. Rename. Close it. Rename. Adult. Open it. Let's find anything that does not say adults. I think that should just be the only thing. And then let's save it. And then refresh. Okay, now it's an adult, and now we can close that one. Now we can go to the adult. Go here. Make sure it says adult. Go to animations. Toddler, child, adult, and then elder. Elder, let's make a new life stage. Let us age stage 2. So it'll be like age stage 8 plus. I hear an Enderman. Adult. Is it? Animations. Life stage adult. Duplicate. Life stage elder. Elder animation. And then if age is 8. I think it's 8. Because when it's 9, it dies. A number between. Oh, it's nighttime. Don't worry, guys. You're safe. I thought you disappeared. Disappeared to a sea of butterflies. Illusion of the past. Yeah, when it's 8. I hope that's how it is. Adult growth, adult age system. When it is middle age, yeah, 8. No. 9. No. 8, yeah. 8 is elder. 8 plus is elder. 8 or greater. Save and keep open. If it's 8 or greater, it'll be an elder. Save mod. Dun, 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 dun. Let's set this to elder. Life stage elder save. Let's add the walking animation one. Walking. Walk animation to like be an action. Save and keep open. Let's see if that'll actually change anything. Make sure the visual model set to adult. And then let's press play. Oh. Wait. Why did I put... I'll pop this out. Why people keep calling me? Why? Hold on. Model adult. Adult. Says plugin failed. Return type. Model adult model. I think it's this. Let's do biped. Keep open. Let's press play. And then let's change back to adult. No? Model adult. Save and keep open. Recompile. It's calling model adult, which is this. It's this one that it's calling. I just keep saying model adult. Oh, that's why. Oops. Oopsie. I need to change one more thing for it. You know, when I said it has to change all the things it says, yeah, that. Adult. Anything that says model needs to be changed. I missed one. Okay, I think adult, model layer location, model layer location. I think these ones are good. Okay, press save. Let's try it again. Press play. No? Spawn villager procedure. Spawn villagers. Oh, wait. Save. Why is it breaking all of a sudden now? Really? Why? I'm getting a headache. Delete that. Just set it back normal. Oh, is it not supposed to be on entity tick update? World. Entity joins world. Save. What? Undo. Let me undo that and then do entity joins world. Entity joins world. Save. Oh. I smell good progress. Please. Yay! It's opening. Okay, so it was that. Entity joins world. It needs to be. So technically what's supposed to happen is it spawns in villagers. Like how villagers would spawn when you start a new world. But we need to fix that more. Okay. Your head is still kind of small. Oh wait, I was supposed to do the, because I want to set it to the exact same head size as let's do, I need to compare it to a villager head. Adult needs, no. Oh, it was clear villagers. Clear villagers, entity joins world. No additional. Save. Let's allow the villagers to spawn in. Because I need to compare the head size so I can resize it properly. The head and the body needs to be resized properly. Villager. Bro. Okay. I need you guys to stand up. I need you to go though. I have no use for you. Yeah, I might as well just throw the villagers back in. 2, 3, 4. Repopulate. Because they're not gonna spawn in naturally anyway. Everybody go home. I wish I could keep this guy as a baby forever, for God's sake. Pick it up. Okay, so compared to your head, you are taller. No, they're kind of the same height. I also need to make it so you can't put them on the leash. Temporarily. Okay, so I need to make the head bigger. Head needs to be bigger and the body needs to be shorter. Head bigger, body shorter. So what if I use the short heights? Oh, they also jump on the beds. That's cute. Alright, I know what to do. I know what to do. Go to block bench. Close this. Close that. Go to toddler. Head must be bigger. Let me grab babies. Baby villager. I wish I could like see them both at the same time. So for toddler, head has to be way bigger. But how big is big? Let's do head scale. 1.15. Let's do 2. No, because I had it as set to 1.50 before. I think it was 1.50. I'll just have to test it in the game. And then I need to make you shorter. So what if I just use... What if I use my short height? Use short height and then duplicate it? Or just grab? Bring up all animations. Copy. And then paste. I think that should be good for like the size. Okay, let's test that one. I hate that I have to keep like renaming the whole thing. Let us save project. I don't have to resave the model, so adult, child, elder, toddler. Confirm. Age. The age of Ultron is among us. Is among us. Open. I should probably keep this one open then. Show in the browser. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep that open for now. Malaysian map. Eternity with you. Animations. Oh no, it's not this. Yeah, I'll keep it open. Adult animation. Age. Need to change it again. Every time we change something, we have to like retype this in. Age animation. Save. Close it. Close it. We're gonna keep these ones open though. Copy. Paste. Replace. Close. I don't think I have to refresh anything else. Just reload it though. Okay. Hey, I did it. First try. Oh my gosh. Is it the perfect size? Are they both the perfect size? Bruh. Stay still, kid. I need to test you guys. I think I'm... Stop moving! You guys! Stop moving. I think they're the same size. I wish I could like throw you in a boat or something. Yeah, look, they're basically the same size. Head size and all. Shoulders could go down a little. I should make the arms more smaller and then move it down. No, the head needs to be up more. Okay, that's why. I need to move the body down more. The body... I don't want to hear all this. Get out of here. It's too much. And then eventually we'll have our own voice acting for the villagers. It's gonna be like, oh. I'm gonna record those. Record my own voice line. Oh. Okay. You can stay. You can live. Okay, so we need to adjust the body. We need to move down the arms. Move down the torso and the arms so the head is not like clipped in. But right now it's the perfect size. We got the perfect size and it's bigger than the baby. Awesome! Okay, let's fix that. Let us fix our toddler, buddy. Let's just make our toddler smaller. I mean, our body smaller. I think I need to do the body and the legs smaller, so let me see. What size is the body right now? Ain't moving. Wait, or how far down do I have to move the body? Oh, wait. Make the middle arms invisible and then move the body down. Like right there. Okay, and then... Wait, middle arm is not... Okay, middle arm is attached to waist. Okay, let's move... Move the middle arm down. And then move right arm down. It has to match the body. Okay, right arm, left arm. And then we need to make the legs smaller. Head. Make legs smaller, shorter. Right leg. Touch. Left leg. Actually, just leave it like that. Resize. Move it. Is it touching the floor? Are the feet touching the floor? Hopefully. I do see a little gap, so I'm gonna make it a little longer. A little bit longer. Like a little bit shorter. Because now it's in the ground. Perfect! Perfecto! Okay, now we have the toddler. The toddler is done. The child is okay. Child is okay. Is okay. I guess I should just do like cause this one was the head was 1 point. The head was 1.50, so we're gonna do 1.15 for the child's head. Just to make it, just to show that it's still a child. 1.15. Its head would be more smaller, but it's still a child. So you guys could tell the villagers apart. Select none. Adult, child, elder, toddler. Confirm. Age. This should be the last time we're changing that. And then we could save the project. And then we're going to get back into... was that done? I'm going to get back into here. I didn't close them. Thank God. Copy. Paste. Replace. Open it. An open-ended project. Oops. And then let's rename it to Age. Age animation. Save Al. And then, you know what we could also do? We could also add the pregnancy ticks as well. I mean, we already have the pregnancy ticks. admit it, but we can. Okay, don't close that yet. Let me test it real quick. Cause I don't think they actually. I think they check for beds if there's any extra beds. I don't know. I need to add. I need to make sure like the aging thing works. Since I did change a lot of things with it. Where are you? Now it kind of feels like his head is more bigger. This kid's head looks more bigger. Yeah, the dimensions are bigger. It looks like it, no? Yeah, his head looks way bigger than before. Why is that? You know, this is just a custom kid. The head doesn't need to be gigantinormous. They just have to be the same height. Why should I make the head even bigger? No, I think this is a good size. Is it? I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I make it bigger or is it a good size? I can see what's happening. What? Lily. Get out of there, Lily. So like Lily's way smaller. And then so they will grow up naturally. Yeah, Lily is smaller than this one. Small head, small everything. Yeah, I think that's fine. Cause I don't want to make it too big. Alright. Next thing I wanted to check is the age system. So we're going to lower this to 2000 ticks. And press save. H tick zeros, HDs +1. We're gonna save and keep open. We're gonna also do the same to, let's just save that for now. Ips. Spawn villagers. Still not spawning anything. I don't know how to do that. Initialize. Age ticks. Age stage. Save and close. This one. Go to the baby to infant growth, infant age system. We're gonna do 2000 ticks as well. Save and keep open. Or should it just be 200 ticks? Are we 200 ticks till age? 0. Age system, age. I swear, it's so convenient. It's too convenient just pressing the numpad. 200. Press play. And now they will grow before our eyes. Let me make sure the other thing works too. New world. Should I load a new one? Come here. I don't need you anymore, really. Oh, sorry, kitty. No, kitty. Okay. Bomess. Okay, you are growing. Why are they no longer growing in like intervals? Daniel. Oh my god. Keep. It's your birthday already. Huh? I use cake, but cake is not working. Okay, so that's not working. Oh yeah, because I didn't attach it to anything. That's... Oops. Wait, did I... add the... age transition? He did get bigger. Keep growing, bro. Keep growing. I think he got even more taller. A little bit bigger. This baby also got bigger. Okay, you're getting more bigger. Your head is massive though. Good thing I didn't change the head size again. Okay. The baby got bigger. Adult. Okay, so this is a problem. Your head is growing too big. Your head is growing too big. But yet still... It's baby's first birthday. Okay. Oh, now you're a child. Hey, it does work. Rose. It's baby's first birthday named Rose. Lucy. Why did she change? Thomas. They're changing names. For some reason. Cause weren't you Cedric first? Yeah, cause this is Ella, Leo. Yeah, her name started as Ella. And now her name is Rose. And her head is tiny. Or this is this one and I don't even know anymore. When I look away, something is not right. But I'm not looking at him. His head is small, but then his head goes bigger. Why is that? Why does that happen? These people are defective. And then they're not even aging like normal sliders. Now Thomas is back to... What the heck? Bro, this is so weird. When do you get older? I know every time they switch ages, I should probably put like, oh, they're this age, they're that age. Rose and Thomas. Well, it looks like his head is fixed now. I don't know what that was about. Bro, he's just, it's weird. Why do your head go big and then small? I don't understand, but now you're getting taller. I don't understand it. Maybe it's because the ticks are going too fast. 40, 60, 80. And like you're not even growing smoothly anymore. What the heck? At least they're like more taller. At least they seem to be growing naturally, except for Thomas's fat head. What the heck? Bro, I think it's something with the code. Because now Thomas just shot up in height. Are they still the same height? Bro. I can't tell. I feel like he's taller than me. I don't understand what's happening. He is taller than me. Why is that? I think I need to like reduce the size some more. Cause then I think he's gonna grow into a giant. Cause I actually didn't set the adult size increments for the thing. It's technically still using the baby size. So these guys are gonna be giants soon enough. I just need to see them get old and die. Oh my god. They're already titans. Better the bees and the Jaeger. Ha 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 ha. The bees and the Jaeger. But the real question is, why did Rose's head stay the same size? And why did her name change like 50 different times? They're massive titans. Cause his head is still growing bigger. And now Rose's head is bigger. And now Rose is glitching out too. Yeah, now they're both glitching out, so I don't know. Tick. Tick rate. Let's say 2,000 per second. Yeah, they're just gonna keep growing. Yeah, I need to like lower that down. Soon enough he'll be able to get out. Soon enough they'll be able to escape their confines. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, soon they'll be able to escape their confines of prison. And then there'll be giants wandering around the world. Yeah, but also their names are not supposed to change once they already have it set. And why aren't these villagers sleeping? Is there no beds? There has to be beds. Yeah, there's a bed right here. Why are there mushrooms growing in here? Go sleep, bro. Are you broken? Well, they're gone. Where are they? Hello? I take my eyes off of them for 1 second and they disappear. Oh. Oh my god, Thomas. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're dying. They got killed. We have, who the hell is this? Samuel? Where is Rose? Where is... Who is Samuel? Where did they go? They were just here. They were ginormous. Who are you? Who the heck is Samuel? Bro, I should have leashed them. Oh my god. Is passing away. Who is passing? Okay, this guy's an elder. Bro, everything is happening so fast. Oh my god, the music. Who is passing away? Oh my god. I think it's just sad with us dying. At least it looks like an old man now. I guess it should do like shrink. Sure we had Thomas. I saw Thomas die in front of me. So who the heck is this? Okay, now he's dead. The music is still playing. So that means there's people out there in the world dying simultaneously. Rest in peace, Rose. That was a good thing for testing it. Cause like, what the heck? Also, I need the music to not play for everybody. It's just supposed to be in a radius. I don't need to hear it all the time. Maybe I'll just get rid of the music totally. If I can't figure it out. Okay, so 3 things we must fix. We have to fix the We have to fix the aging for the toddler. Yeah, we have to fix the name system. Cause okay, his name started out as Leo. He should remain a Leo. His head also needs to get bigger. Leo's head needs to get bigger when he changes, so I think I need to call infant the infant system, not the adult system when I. Yeah, you see? He changed. Now he's Will. Okay, now the head is normal. Okay, I guess I don't need to change it. Now his name is William. The name is not supposed to change when he grows up. So I need to set a if was baby before and changes to adults, then do not change name. Yeah, now he's William. His head needs to be smaller when it gets older. So I guess for the child, I think I should do like what's it called? Instead of like age stage 2, it should be like what's it called? It should be something else. Cause the head needs to like not get bigger. And then I also need to fix the height for this guy. So the name, okay, so I think when it changes to this one, the adult, initialize adult age for initialize adult age. I don't know how to do that. Age ticks relationship. Where is it? Cause it calls the name system. Yeah, name system. So I need to add an if statement. If name is blank. If was baby. If subtype baby. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask Google for this one because I have no idea. Let me go here. Let me check this real quick. Ah, it's lagging. For my no, let me keep that open. Keep it open. When it ages from the infant to the toddler stage, the name resets. And then the head is humongous. I also need to change the head. Let me put you on a leash so I know where you are at all times so you can't run away. Run away, love. Run away. Oh, we're searching. Oh, you know, I think I know how to fix the animation issue as well. I think I do have it. I think I do know how to fix some of them. So I think for the head issue, it is adult animation control. Who is calling these? What if I remove that? Will I am. Let's save that. When Minecraft initializes an entity, whether it be a standard, custom, open an adult highlight custom name system call, grab an if statement. Oh, let me see this one. If I took those out of the call. Oh. And then they both reset in height too. That's not great. Benjamin. What? Because now why are they regrowing with each other like that? On-tick entity updates. Yeah, you're not supposed to spawn like that. Accidentally killed both of them. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Life stage child. Life stage adult. Oh no, we're gonna keep that like that. Let's go to infant age system. Adult age system. Adult age system. It says wrap it in an if statement. So, where's my if statement? Age system. No. Adult initialize. Okay. If where is it? If click green icon next to your toddler. Each day is 30. This is not it. Okay. If get custom name events. If get custom name event and sits here equals entity infant name equals blank. Then call. Ugh. Then call that. Infant. Custom name infant. Just spawn. If get custom name of event target entity equals blank, do call generation. Infant or adult. Let me drop an or block in here. Or meow duplicate. And let's fold that and slap it in there. If infant or adult, if adult or infant, adult name equals blank, or infant name equals blank. Oh. And also, same with the gender too. If gender role, if another if statement, if gender equals blank, because I forgot about that one. If adult gender equals blank, then I'm gonna do all of that. Let us separate all of these. Get gender. Custom gender. Equal or in or block. Let's see if it works like that. I feel like it won't. Or infant. Infant gender. The personality can randomize because when they grow up, they change. So everything else should be good. Hunger, fun, adult age initialize. Adult idling content normal. Parent UID. Yeah, I think I need to open this one. Adult stage. Else. Adult. Initialize adult. Initialize adult brain. Initialize adult age. So if top if infant age stage equals if infant age stage equals 0 or greater equals 1. How do I do this one? If infant age stage equals... Oh, let me see this. What did they say? Display. Go to your adult. Add this text. If source entity equals player. Oh. If subtype of adult equals if subtype of infant equals age stage equals age stage 1 equals age stage 1. Subtype of infant equals age stage 1. Then let's do age stage 2. Source entity. If directly inside your adult spawn initializer if subtype of player. Source entity subtype of player. Is subtype of infant equals subtype of adult? Duplicate? I don't know. Subtype of adult. Do a set value to age stage 2. Oh, set value to age stage 6. Maybe this? Save it. Bruh. Bruh. Oh my god. Pressing everything. One egg registers the source entity as active player. Script catches this modifier instantly enforces HD straight to 60. Then render at full scale. Let's do another if statement. If subtype source entity. Source entity is type of adult. Oh, not player. Then do age stage 6. Will this work? Oh my gosh. Ah, her eyes! My eyes! My eyes! My eyes! We're saving. Oh. We need to close. Where did he go? Bro, why do they keep disappearing? Did I kill him or did I have him? Where is Okay, let's test it again. Alright. Let us reload. Adult. Mod error. Adult initialized procedure. Oh, it's because duplicate. Save it. Save again. Let's see. I didn't fix the height thing. Yeah, we're doing one thing at a time. Fixing one thing at a time. Alright. Let's spawn in. Nope, it's still tiny. It's still tiny. You are not starting as your age. So where'd you go? Yeah, maybe I'll make a villager, a custom villager wandering trader as well. Is that Hmm? Uh-huh. And then if you attack him, he pulls out a sword and starts fighting you. He has a sword of slaying. And he'll two-shot you if you try to kill him. Custom wandering trader. Ruby, you're growing very tall. I think I fixed the head thing. Wait, let me... No, I don't think I did. Yeah. Because now they're doing this weird glitching thing. And your head is now small again. So I did something wrong. And now you're getting incredibly big. Incredulously big. It is incredulous. Perhaps I must call a different system. Cause you're not really growing. It's nighttime. How did you get in here? Why did you get in here? Ow! When did you get in there? Waiting. Wait, what was I waiting for? Wait, what did I change? Oh, I spawned the wrong thing in actually. It's supposed to be Ella. Ruby. Will Ruby die as Ruby or will Ruby become something else? Ella. We don't have the birthday thing for Ella. And Ruby is ginormous. Ginormous Ruby. I need you to age grow slower. Grow a little bit slower, Ruby. Hi! Hi, kitty! Now Ruby is back to tiny. Why is that? Oh. Now your name is Frank. So it didn't work. And now Ruby is huge again. It didn't even do the birthday. Oh, it did. It says use cake to celebrate. Use a cake to celebrate. Ruby. Now why did they reset in height again? Because why are you resetting in your height? Frank and Ruby. Your name was not Frank when you were younger. ID. Ruby Nora, female dependent Frank. Yeah, you were Nora before. You were Nora. And then the head is no longer changing sizes. Who is passing away? And then you didn't even call your new procedure. And now you're swapping. Now you're old. You keep blinking. You keep blinking and yet you keep growing. did I do the Iron Golem one? Both. The heck? Oh, the demon horse. Strange things are happening. How strange it could. Oh, you're free. Why is this horse just here? What was I doing? Injury system, protection system. If entity iterator is Iron Golem, or entity iterator is the type of adult, so attacks on. Okay, for every player in the world, entity iterator, if entity iterator is subtype of player, type of player. Do adult age stage 6. Got what else? Take out the else if each player in the world as entity iterator. Okay, let me find one for entity as well. Entity. For each entity iterator, if it's a subtype, duplicate. If it's a subtype of infant, and if each stage equals 1, then do that. If sub of its entity iterator. Entity iterator is this cat. So much meowing. So much meowing. It's like the real thing. Equals each stage. Equals 1. Equals 1. To adult age stage 2. I feel like this is wrong. I don't think this is gonna save like that. Oops, something's lagging. Oh shoot. Where are all these freaking horse things coming from? these guys actually sleep? They're sleeping, not in their blood. Are there invisible villagers in the beds? Bed is occupied by who? Get out the way, bro. Okay. Is that why they're not breeding or anything? Let's see the other house. Bed occupied. Where's the next house? This one does not have a bed. That one did not have a bed. This one did. That one had a bed. This one does not have a bed. It's just a weird little spot. The one back here has a bed. Why did it say bed occupied? These ghost monsters. What about down here? Okay, no longer occupied. Now that guy's chilling in his bed. Where's the other dude? That guy's chilling in his bed. So now the beds are... Bro, this is so weird. What, these beds are crazy too? Nope. Occupado. That's why they weren't sleeping, because that thing was glitched. What about this bed? Nope. These 3 beds are good. Maybe that's why my villager thing system wasn't working either. Because like the beds kept saying occupied, so that's why. Let's see. What? What do you want? What do you want? You don't want to play, you don't want to do nothing. Let's see. Testing it again. For each entity is entity iterator, entities time invent. Oops, just spawning as a small child. Let me see. Adult initialize. Initialize adult. If do if it's a subtype of a do else do that. Shh. 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 Why are you mailing into the mic directly? What the heck? I've never seen anything like that happen in my life. What the heck? What is this cat? Bro. What is this cat's problem? File set to 6. To the iterator. Hi! What happened? I'm petting you. What about now? Still the same. Exactly the same infant. Still the same size. Why are you still same size? Right, kitty. Why still same size? Infinite initializer. This one, adult stage. Adult age system. Is it called in brain controller? It doesn't look like it. Adult age. Life stage adult. Adult need decay. Mob attack. Partner. Pregnant. Adult growth. Execute. Adult initialize. Some type of infant. If for each entity is entity iterator as a subtype of infant. Needs a cake to celebrate. Whose birthday? Oh, Lucy. When did I spawn in? When did I? What? I don't recall spawning in people. Lucy and Henry. I don't recall spawning in, or did I? Oh, did I? Henry and Lucy. I don't recall spawning in new ones. Yeah, I don't recall this. Hello, Swappy. Hello, how are you? I really don't recall spawning in new ones. Did I? I didn't spawn. No, cause like, did I spawn it? Bro, what the heck? When I was tapping, yeah, I didn't recall spawning them in. Just woke up, had breakfast. Ooh, how was breakfast? I hate always feeling full. The feeling of always being full. Why is there a zombie in the daylight? Everything is not what it seems, like you can get what you want in your wildest dreams. You might run into trouble when you go to these things, because everything is not what it seems. I don't know. Wait, maybe I have to take, I think I know what to do. Let me leave that. I think it's in the, growth. Growth execute age system visual. Visual skill? Cause, age teacher. I think, okay, yeah. Set that one to just, why did I just do that? This is supposed to be visual. Visual growth system only. think I found my issue. And then throw this one into adult initialize. If infant stage has one. Set age stage 6. Let me do a call procedure. Or should I just set it into the thing? If no. Age. Adult age system. If age stage is 1, call procedure, adult age. Cause like it's in the adult age system. If 18 days. Will that work like that? If age stage 1, call the adult age system, else set age to 6 and call the adult age system, duplicate age to 6 and call adult age system. See, let's try it like that. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. But then the adult age system needs to be on ticks. Let me see how that one will work. Let's see. Cause the age system works on ticks, so I don't think that'll work. Yeah. But then they all keep resetting sizes. Are these new golems or are they the same golem? Yeah, it doesn't work. Now Lucy is giant. Alice and Henry. And now Henry became giant. I don't know, man. I don't know where this is supposed to be even called from. Cause this ish doesn't work either. And then this dish doesn't work either. I just wanted to set from if it's a baby and it grows into an adult, it keeps the same freaking age, man. Oh my god. Why? Why is everything so freaking difficult? Don't spawn. This will losing the freaking plot. If a subtype adult equals initial spawn, if entity equals blank, do call name generator blocks here. Let me see something else. Is this animation control? Adult anime controller. Let's put the age thing back in there. do. Oh. Life stage. Age system. Save. Good had eggs and granola with milk. That's good. That's delicious. That's delicious. Eat for the both of us. Eat it for the both of us. Protection system, I don't need this. Open. Animation controller. I need if statements. If equals if life stage equals. Technically, that should have been called automatically. If adult life stage equals age stage equals 2. Call animation. Else if do that. Else if else if else if age stage equals 2, if age stage equals 2, 3. Ash! Date. No. Date. If age stage. Okay, this is toddler, child. If age stage equals 6. Else if age stage equals 7. 8. 8 or greater. Call procedure. Elder animation. If it's 2, if it's 3, if it's greater than equal to 4, but less than equal to 6. And if it's less than equal to 6, then call life stage adult. If it's less than equal to 7. Okay, so if it's equal to 2, then it's going to be that one. And if it's equal to 3, it's going to be that one. And then if it's greater than 4 or less than 7, it's going to be this one. And then it's that one. Save. This is my biggest up. My biggest up. Animation controller. Let me delete this one. Save. Let's go to adult brain controller. Adult age system. Animation. I'm gonna close that. What's next? Initializer. Adult age initializer. Initialize adult age. If Entity. Okay, what does this say? Call your generation block here. Let me go to infant real quick. Infant growth, infant age system. No, the birthday system. Because this one spawns the entity model. Despawn. Let me see that. It's under no trigger. No sabo. Wait a second. Oh, never mind. Your procedure triggers spawn entity to finding entity from scratch because it's a completely fresh entity. It runs on initial entity spawn script and rolls a random new name directly if you try to up the entity. To like the name reset transfer identity, is set only to use last spawn entity block to read old infant name. Let's go to the very bottom. Delete the rearranged blocks. Delete the last two blocks. Birthday salvage true, birthday already false since infant is despawning. You don't need the. Oh. Okay. Instantly copy name from old infant to adult. Set custom name. Keep spawn entity block below the despawn block. Check under spawn entity block and edit. Still copy the name from the old infant to new adult. Set custom name of infant to custom name of entity. Set age. Set the age parameter on the new adult entity so that spawn as a toddler. Setting. Okay, set infant gender to adult gender. And then what else did I need to change? Duplicate. Set infant UUID string to adult. I don't have UUID string for adult gender, parent ID, parent UUID, parent partner UUID. Okay, so let's add that to the adult. UUID. String UUID save. Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb. Mwah! Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken. You name it. String. It's a string. Okay, so the name, gender, UID string. Set. Let's put adult set name. Unvalued. gender. You ID string to you ID string. Okay, and then before. Oh, let me. Every time I touch, 'cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Right now, your blocks are trying to pull data from the newly spawned adult, which is blank empty. How to fix change entity drop down. On the right hand side of your green blocks inside the get string, change the adult to infant. To permit last spawned. Custom entity, last spawned entity type of adult. Permit. There's no last spawn entity button. What even is this? Take a specialized drop down modifier lose their color your standard purple. Standard purple. First green entity. Data block. Click on the tiny downward. Closely. Green entity data block as this currently reads. Event target entity. Select permit. What? Look closely at the very first box slot on your green entity data block as this currently reads. Click on the tiny, there's no tiny downward button. Get logic. I feel like it would be one of these. Nope, can't put that there. Item stack, provide dimension down. Down least. Direction, action, result. Nope. Once again, we are back at square zero. Doesn't have a built-in drop-down box to switch to other entity types. Newly spawned entity. Target newly spawned entity. Spawned adult entity instead of old entity. Cannot use any of those blue variable dependency on the sidebar. Instead, you need to use a dictate block called get nearest entity at. Get nearest entity. Where is that? You know, I feel like I did see that block before. Let me try in here. Set. Get nearest entity. Get entity, get owner, nearest entity. Get passenger, follow distance. Get lowest entity. Get a copy. Get width. Get session ID. Get evil UID. XYZ. Maybe it's a world. Get entity session. Get entity UID. Get biome. Get. Oh, there it is. Get nearest entity ID to grab adult entity that you just placed into the world. Where to find the correct block? Look at your left side panel. World data. Oh, scroll. Drag out the get nearest entity square of 1 and the size of 1. Type of adult. How to rebuild. Birthday cake spawns a new adult at the same time. XYZ coordinates or infant was standing. Small size radius of 1 to block ensure the game grabs your new adult perfectly. Replace left hand purple entity targets on. Okay, sync. Sync custom name. For custom name. Can I replace? Oh, I can replace it. Okay. For custom name, get nearest entity. That is what type of adult? Wait. For custom entity, get nearest entity at XYZ size 1 type adult of type adult. Set string parameter name 2 entity of type infant string name value. Okay, and let me remove all of these. Duplicate adult UID string adult gender UID string UID, and then infant gender string UID infant UID string. Oh, you know what? Actually, I probably could do this like this instead of having to change that entire other system. Let me duplicate. Oh, wrong thing. I need to force mature growth. Sync code for a custom entity, nearest type adult 1, rent string ID, and then set data parameter, duplicate adult age stage 2 1 2. It's supposed to be 2. I think it's 2. Shoot. I'm pressing everything. Initialize age stage. So I don't think I need this one. Infant age. Don't close that. So 18 age stage equals 1. Wait, infant age system. Set age to 1. Okay. Okay, so it has to be 1. They turn to 1, age stage 1. So let me go back to here, age stage 1. Okay. Okay. I feel like we're making something good progress. So it automatically sets the age. Go ahead and then fetch it at the close of the door. Spawn entity. Size of 1. Do that. Each stage to 1. To target. Like the value. Value. Say that's your value. You must keep both. Okay. And then let's go to infant growth, no birthday. We're gonna do the same with this one. We're going to grab all of these. So we're gonna slap it into an if statement real quick. So I could just move it, copy, then undo it, and then slap it in here. Instead of trying to grab them all one at a time. If get world time is greater than 18,000. I just guess I don't need these either. Save and keep open. Yeah, let's save it and keep it open. Save and keep open just in case. It's just in case. Okay, so then now I can adult initialize. It could be undo everything. Age display system. Clumsy. Cowardly, intelligent, glamorous. Age ticks. Age days to 6. This is just for when a new one spawns. Age days 6. Just save it and then let's press play. Let's press play. Okay, let's see. Every day something new. Now those villages are gone, so they never existed in the first place. Look at that. The 2 villages that were in there, now they don't even exist. That's very weird. Lily. Lily, why are you still small? Did I do something wrong? Amelia. I mean, you're kind of bigger actually, now that I'm looking at it. You are kind of bigger. Let me see a second. Infant growth execute. Age stage visual. No birthday. Ages and visual, no birthday. Let me go to adult growth. Adult growth execute. Age visual duplicate. Adult age system. Save that. And then go to adult brain, adult controller. Take out the age system. Adult growth execute. Take out that age system and then do adult growth execute. Save. I think that's what was wrong. Because why aren't you the appropriate size? You could leave you. You're fine. Okay, recompile it. Press play. Still small. Why are you still small? And your name still changed, kid. Your name was Thomas. Pretty sure your name was Charlie before. Adult Emma. You are Thomas, and you are Emma. And you are supposed to start already as an adult. So there's something else. There's something else going on. What could have been? Oh, I love who I am. What we could have been. Remember, guys, his name is Thomas. What we could have been. I am a ghost, a fallen angel. I looked out on my life. What I needed you more. Thomas, hurry up and grow. Hurry up and grow, Thomas. Where are the villagers? There they are. Thomas. It's baby Ella's first birthday. Now you are Ella. It's still not work. What else? What else can I do? More supper. Two, one. Still not working. I think I'll be clear now. The side person, particularly for these spot adult, the fire adult usually code the procedure unconditionally rolls a random gender. The values you just copy the lure from the infant. To stop this from happening, you need to add an if get the top of your procedure assigned. Okay, wrap everything in an if. Wrap half of these things in an if. Make sure current state, parent UUID, holder UUID, best friend UUID. These ones can stay. These are good. Partner UUID, favorite person UUID. Current state, current activity. Yeah. Everything that isn't, wrap these and then get else. Wrap it in if. Don't connect it yet. Custom entity, if custom entity, the string of custom entity adult wait of custom entity do adult string. Oh, I already grabbed that. You know what? I'm craving ice. I don't know why. I just like the way I just like how it chomps. I like when it goes. When it goes. String name equals blink do. I got to separate this. If let's duplicate it again. Claim adult gender equals blink. The gender role. Take out this one. Gender is blink. Do that. If name. Wait this. If name is blank, do name system display. Display name adult. Duplicate that because we're gonna put that on out. Duplicate. If adult string is blank, do adult string. Yeah, because this one is set string. these ones. I think I already have that one. Pick up this one. Personality roles are with the one. Slap that back up there. And grab this. Slap that in there too. Crash. Munch, munch, munch. Name display system. Okay. Initialization test into bug. Test out the birthday cake translation again. Okay, save. Save. Let's actually add infant interactive items. Oh no, it's under routine. Infant return play system, feed system, birthday system. That birthday system should have been in there too. Duplicate. Interactive controller. How did I do that one? Open. Open recent workspace. This one. Items. Is it this one? Interaction? Nope. Interactive items. If main hand is that. Wait. A source entity is this. Copy. Paste. Slap it in there. We don't need all of these. If main hand, the source entity is a bottle, do baby feeding routine. Infant feed system. If it's else if main hand is this one. Feed system, else if main hand is. We don't have this one yet, so we can just remove it. We're gonna take out all these other else ifs. Just put one more. Else if not a sponge, but if it's, what were we calling? If it was birthday cake. Birthday system. If main hand is a cake, do the cake system. If the main hand, what else did we have available? We had the playing system, so this one. Flower, this one. And then we had interactive system, the teddy bear interactive system. Else if. Two more else ifs. If it's a flower, then do play system. If it's a teddy bear, then also call the play system. And I think that's it. We don't need this one. We don't have anything else. I didn't add the bathing system yet. Because we're working on these ones. Okay, then save. Infant feeding system, infant, play. And then add it to infant triggers. When right clicked. active controller, save. And then let's do... Save this one. Save everything again. Save. Save. I don't think I need this one actually. Save. Save. Adult initialize. Take out that one. Oh, I think I did. Yep, I did. So let's actually delete it for real. Adult age initialize. Delete. Because if name, if string, oh, I need one more. If age, if age is equals if age equals if age stage equals 1, adult age stage equals 1, set it to 1. Set it to 1, else set it to 6. Age stage 2, 1. Oh. Oh! Set to 1, else set to 6. On this one, adult age stage. Okay, and then make sure age stage is not here. Age days. So it doesn't reset again. Sure, everything else is good. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. Save. Okay. Press play. Let's try this again. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Who did they send me daughters when I asked for sons? Allah, Emma, daughter of infant, Clara. Clara is independent. Now we have to wait 200 ticks every tick. 200 ticks every tick. We must wait. beg of you, please keep your same name, gender, age, string, everything. Nope. It's Benjamin's first birthday. Why does it automatically change? It's still resetting. You know what I can also do? It's where's that one thing? Copy. It's name. Name value, create text. This. It's Blake's. It's Blinks. I kind of wonder if that works like that. Blinks. It's Blank's first birthday. Should I use another equal? Create text with its. The text. Nope, I cannot. It's equals. It equals blank equals birthday. Would that work like that? Input chat as empty. Oh. Take out this one. Save. Oh. Save. Press play. Okay, let's see. Sorry, Benjamin, quote unquote. What about you? Goodbye again, Benjamin. Why do they keep setting themselves to the small height still? Like before they were standard height, and now they're just small. And they're not even calling the thing either. I feel like I should just set the thing to true. Because like their heads are no longer big. So like what is happening here? Why is there like a lot of things happening? Breaking. Why are there a lot of things breaking? Mark. HD equals 0. Ancient H system. H6, HD is 1. HD is 10. Why is this even here? If HD. No. I didn't think I needed that one. It's just 8. If H stage is 10, then you do the birthday system. Bruh. Bruh. Goodbye, Thomas. Save and keep open. Press play again. Choo choo. Let's do this again. Sensitive. Why are you so small? Edward. Leo. Okay, while you're growing in the background, I'm gonna go do... I'm gonna open this back. Wrong one. Gonna open this back again. Okay, so... H ticks over 200. H ticks is about HD plus 1. HD equal 10, pretty true. As we're waiting... Oh, what? Use a cake to celebrate. Wait, what? I didn't even say the thing. Name George Male. It says use cake to celebrate. And now your name changed from Leo to George. What is wrong with you, kid? Like, it's just completely disregarding everything that I put in. It's like as if I didn't even change it in the first place. Do I have to close the entire app and reopen it for it to actually apply? Because now it just says it's blank's first birthday. It's equals... You know, let's do this. It's... Let's do that. It's... Grab another equal. Slap that right there. It's blanks. And slap that right there. It's blank's first birthday. Oh, wait. Equal first birthday. And I can't slap that in there. It's blank equals first birthday equals use cake to celebrate. Let us remove that too. And then it just keeps aging up. It ages up regardless. And then it doesn't even do its animations. So the animations don't even work either. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? True. What is true? What is marking true? Oh, is it because of that? Name. This has their first birthday. Name. It's say happy birthday to. You know, let's change it to say happy birthday instead of like having all of this. We're just gonna have that. To say happy birthday to. Instead of trying to put all this in. Say happy birthday to, and then it says name. Say keep open. I feel like it's just not applying some of the other things that I changed. One by one, miss it two by two, everybody in the club, let me. Why? Why is it now spamming? Say happy birthday to, use cake to celebrate. I don't even have use cake to celebrate anymore. So it really is broken. No, I have this one. Oh, that's why. Slap it back in there. That's why it kept spamming. That's why it kept spamming. I kind of wonder. Gender female, cause yeah, it goes side by side. So it didn't matter if I had it like under or above. Alright. Grace, Amelia. Once again, we're testing. Let's sleep. Grace and Amelia, we're just testing if the birthday system works. We're not testing the name change-ish. Oh yeah, we're also testing that too. So I did take off the thing, but then again, it doesn't even work, regardless. Amelia and Grace. This whole system is a bunch of baloney. Say happy birthday to piece of cake. Yeah, they just age up immediately. Piece of cake to celebrate. Grease. Maybe because I have it on set to 200 ticks. So let me spam it. Spam it. Oh no, everything's broken. Say happy birthday to... Oh. It's supposed to be infant. Infant name. Bruh. Bruh. Why was it adult? Okay, one more test. One more test before I restart everything. HD equals 10. Infant. Evelyn. You must remain Evelyn even when you're older. Isn't she lovely when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Because if this system doesn't carry over, then the entire system just falls apart. Because I need that to carry over. I need everything to carry over, so like when you're doing like the whole baby care system-ish and the baby's growing up, you're obviously, the stats obviously are going to carry over when it's older, and it's going to influence its personality, of course. Of course. What's this? It's a putty cat. And a armadillo. Where am I? Her name is Evelyn. I need it to work. Say happy birthday to Evelyn. Use a cake to celebrate. Okay, so the birthday thing does work. So we can close that one for sure. Say happy birthday to Evelyn. Use a cake to celebrate. You're not supposed to age up immediately. And your name is not supposed to change. You're still supposed to be Evelyn. Close that. Okay, so this one works. I'm gonna set this back to 24,000. Age text. Birthday ready true. Infant age days equals 10. Save. Okay, initialize adults. Why do I still have this? Adults. Brain. Adult controller. Adult growth. Execute. Life stage. Adult need decay. Mob attack system. Partner system. Pregnancy check. I feel like the adult life stage should be in the adult controller as well. Adult animation. Adult initialize. Nim. Let me move this up top. Because actually, this doesn't even make any sense either. Because the name does change regardless. So flat that back down. Let's see the name display system. Adult. Like name. Both name system. If gender is male. Should I like merge these two together or something? Name roll Frank. Female name equals male name. Or do I need like a world procedure? Local. Because if I do local, then local name. No. Maybe it has something to do with this, but I highly doubt it. Adult controller, infant no birthday. No Sabu. Set age stage to 1. Birthday ready's trill. And F current autumn. Age stage 1. Set adult age stage to 1. Are there even 1 years old? Age stage to 1. For custom entity, let the type get nearest type entity adult. Set to set named value to infant name. Set gender to adult infant gender. Set UID string to literally. Name system. Birthday system. Save. This one. If entity. If age stage is 9 and if entity is alive. If age stage equals 8 and this is value 1 to 30 and if set the age stage to 9 and then if it's alive do the music. If it's alive do the music. For each player the world procedure action for each player for each item for each entity as entity iterator or each entity except the end server. Where is the one for like for each player in a radius of how many blocks? Player actions. Or is it just iterator? For each player. Currently the world as entity iterator. For each if entity is nearby. If entity for each player in the world is entity iterator. If entity I might be nope, I can't save it like that. If nearest entity. No. Something about entity. And there's like an XYZ coordinate. If entity is within, then you can hear the music. Critical engineering timing conflict. Ever reaches your green transferring blocks. What was I doing? If entity is alive. Send message. Copy. Paste. Send message, create text. Name. Blank equals as passing away. Or should it be plus? Blank plus is passing away. Can I even put that there? Nope. Nope. Pass away. We are passing away. Da da da, ahoy there, ahoy, we are passed away. I don't know where we are, with no house and no car. Cast passed away. Ahoy is passing away. I only want this to play in a radius though. Print it. Honestly, I think I'm done. Like. Oh yeah, one thing at a time. Okay, so let's do entity iterator gender name. If name is blank, do that call name procedure. If gender is blank, do gender role, gender role. If adult string equals that. Name system call name display. Oh yeah, name display. Try to set display name of entity target to adult name. Does it also need to be an if? If if name is blank. Maybe it's also this one, but I highly doubt it. Equals blank. Else. Okay, try to set display name of name system of infant growth birthday system copy. Get nearest adult. Nearest to infant name. If adult name is blank. Okay, let's try this one. I think good enough to this, regardless if it works or not. There is nobody spotting. There is no war in bossing say. Why does this egg not work anymore? It's always something, huh? It's always something. Edward. You know what, guys? As always, thanks for splashing around with me today. We made zero progress. If you guys know how to fix this problem, don't forget to leave a comment in the YouTube video, and don't forget to give this video a little like, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay shiny, stay snappy, and keep smiling. Bye!